Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the way to quickly install all of those recommended plugins that we've already talked about. You've got a PDF in your sales package that has basically just a listing of all the recommended plugins that we like to use. And I'm going to show you a really quick way to upload all of those via FTP to your website. Alright, so let's get cracking. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go find that list and then click on each one in turn and then click the little download button that says download version x.x.x and save that. And go back and do this one at a time. Save it. You keep doing this till you're done. Okay. It really doesn't take as long as it seems. Alright, just keep doing this in turn. I'm going to pause this, get them all done, and then we're wrapping up our last two. Download that, click OK. And actually we're not going to do this one right now because it's not something you can download for free. It's something you actually have to go out and buy, download, and then install. But we've talked about that in another video. So now that we're done with that, we go find where all of our downloads were downloaded to. And mine are all here, so I'm going to put them all in a special folder. Alright, I'm going to put them right here. And then I'm going to fire up my FileZilla and get going. And navigate to my domain. And then find my plugins folder. And you'll see just one plugin's installed there right now. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is I need to clean that up. And clean that up. I downloaded a couple of these more than once. Okay. The next thing you want to do is you want to unzip each one of these. So you can do this and extract here. You'll note that there's a folder down here, right? It's basically the extracted contents from this one down to this one. You can also select all of these and extract to here. And you notice how they all extracted into their own folder. Now, I don't know if these parentheses work, so I'll take that out. Alright, now we're ready to go. So we can select all of these, the extracted folders, move them here. The Akismet one is already there, so we can overwrite that. And this will take a little while. There's 500 plus files to upload. So I'll pause here. So as we're uploading files, you can see that we're down to around 200 files left. But I want to mention a few benefits of doing it this way. Number one, when you access these recommended plugins via this list right here, and you click on them, you're going to get the latest, most up-to-date version. That's benefit number one. Benefit number two is you can do this upload a lot faster than you can install each individual plugin one by one through the WordPress dashboard. This may seem like it's taking a long time, but it took less than a minute. So that's important, and it's not nearly as tedious. You saw the 3 steps. I think it was 3 steps. 3 steps. 1, access the page, make the download, save it, go get that download. It's right here. Put it where you want it, right here, and then extract it like this. And then the next step is to take all of these folders and just drag them into your plugins folder. That's it. That's a really nifty way to do this. You're always going to get the latest updates, the latest plugins. You're not going to have to worry about any of that kind of stuff, and it's just a lot less tedious. All right, that's it.